Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a really interesting instrument that's perfect for anyone starting their piano journey or needing a full-size keyboard on the go. This is the Wim Portable Electric Piano, featuring 88 keys and a unique foldable design. Right off the bat, the most striking feature is its portability. The piano is made from quality, environmentally friendly materials, which contributes to its lightweight nature. But the real game changer is the foldable design. It manages to pack a full 88-key layout into something you can easily carry around. This means you don't have to compromise on the number of keys for portability. You get the full range of a standard piano keyboard, but it folds up neatly for transport or storage. You can literally take it with you whenever and wherever you want to play or practice. Despite its portable size when folded, the keyboard aims to replicate the feel of a traditional piano. It's designed with a 1:1 real piano feel, adjusted to mimic the standard of a grand piano. It incorporates intelligent pressure sensitivity, which is crucial for expressive playing. This sensitivity allows for different sound sizes depending on how hard the keys are pressed, and it's described as rejecting legato in a way that enhances dynamic control. This feature is particularly important for beginners learning proper technique and dynamics. Beyond just the piano sound, this electronic keyboard is packed with features to make learning and playing more versatile. It boasts the ability to simulate the sounds of 128 different musical instruments, offering a wide palette for exploration. Additionally, it includes 128 kinds of rhythm atmospheres to play along with, which can make practice more engaging and help with timing. For inspiration or just listening, there are also 20 built-in demo songs. The inclusion of an LCD screen provides visual feedback, likely showing settings like instrument voice, rhythm, or tempo, which is helpful for navigation, especially for beginners. The description also mentions light electronic keyboards, suggesting there might be some form of key lighting feature, though the details aren't specified. Overall, this electronic piano is presented as a tool designed to make the process of learning piano simpler and more interesting. Its combination of full-size keys, realistic feel simulation, portability, and a wide array of sounds and rhythms makes it a compelling option. It's positioned as the perfect instrument for piano beginners and an excellent choice for anyone just starting out or pursuing their interest in playing music. Its blend of functionality and convenience seems well suited for the modern student or hobbyist.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.